Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: write a Python program that will do the following operations on a given list. 1. Add an item to the list. 2nd, remove an item from the list. 3rd, reverse the list. 4. Sort the item in the list. 5th, extend the list by adding another list to it. And the answer of the question is: pause the video and go through the program. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.